Have you ever wanted to run Windows PC apps and games on your Android phone or tablet? With AntCloud, you can stream a full Windows Cloud PC directly to your mobile device. AntCloud is a cloud PC platform that streams a full Windows machine over the internet. Instead of spending money on an expensive computer, you can simply rent a powerful cloud PC and access it anywhere. All the heavy processing is done on AntCloud server, while you enjoy smooth performance on your Android device. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up AntCloud on an Android device. With this setup, you can use heavy Windows applications like Adobe Photoshop, Filmora, Blender, Microsoft Office, etc. on your Android device. You can even play popular PC games through Steam or other game clients. By the end, you'll see how easy it is to enjoy a true Windows experience on Android. With AntCloud set up properly, your phone becomes a high-end PC in your pocket. You can play the latest PC games, edit photos and videos, work on 3D models, or handle office tasks anytime, anywhere. So, let's get started. To get a bigger screen, I'll be using an Android tablet, but you can use your Android phone as well, as shown in the intro. To start using AntCloud, first go to the official website antcloud.co on your device. AntCloud mainly operates in India, but if it's available in your country, the setup works the same way. Create a new account with your email and other details. During sign up, you'll choose a subscription plan. AntCloud has 3 tiers. The intro plan starts at $199 and gives you 35 hours on a GTX 1660 GPU. The advanced plan begins at $699 and provides up to 150 hours on an RTX A4000 with ray tracing. The super plan starts at ₹1,099 and includes 100 hours with an RTX 5070. The top Super Ultimate plan offers 150 hours with 4K 120fps streaming, 24GB RAM, 12GB graphics memory, 500GB storage, 14 CPU cores, and an RTX 5070 GPU. All plans last for 30 days. If you run out of hours, you can top up at ₹40 per hour. It's a good idea to begin with the intro plan to test performance, then upgrade later if you need more powerful hardware. Next, install the AntCloud PC app from the Google Play Store. It's lightweight, about 16 MB. It requires Android 9.0 or above. Once installed, open it and sign in with the account you created. After logging in, you'll see the AntCloud dashboard. This shows your active plan, remaining hours, and a button to launch your cloud PC. For the best experience, use a fast and stable internet connection on your Android device. Wi-Fi or 5G is recommended. For example, streaming at 1080p requires around 100 Mbps connection to run smoothly. Now, let's start the Windows Cloud computer. Tap the power button. The virtual PC will begin to boot. This usually takes 3 to 5 minutes. Once it's ready, it will ask you to choose the stream settings. I'd suggest you stick to 1080p resolution 30fps and a low bitrate for the best real-time performance. Avoid going for 4K or 120fps. It looks nice but can cause lag, which is bad for online gaming or editing. After selecting the right stream settings, click Launch PC. Now you should see a full Windows desktop on your phone or tablet screen. You can control Windows with simple touch gestures such as tap to click, tap with 2 fingers for right click, and swipe to scroll. For typing, enable the on-screen keyboard. If you need to type a lot and do precise work, connect a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse for a laptop-like experience. A USB hub also works for connecting external devices. For gaming, you can also use a Bluetooth controller. After launching the AntCloud PC, the first step is to check the hardware specifications. This shows the exact power you get with your plan. Open Task Manager. Switch to the Performance tab. Here you can see live details of the CPU, RAM, disk and GPU. On my AntCloud Advanced Premium plan, the system comes with a 20GB of RAM, a 250GB SSD and an NVIDIA RTX A4000 GPU with 16GB of graphics memory. The CPU has 14 virtual cores running at around 3.2 GHz. Next, test the internet speed of the Cloud PC. Open a browser and go to a speed test website. Click the Go button to begin. The results show a 300 Mbps download and upload speed, which is excellent for downloading large game files quickly. You can also easily transfer your large files to this Cloud PC using Google Drive. The ping is only 21 milliseconds, which ensures smooth and lag-free gameplay in online shooters. At this stage, you have a fully working Windows desktop running on your Android device. Now it's time to put it to use. We'll move on to installing and running Windows applications and games. What makes AntCloud stand out is the flexibility. Unlike some cloud gaming platforms that only allow pre-installed titles, here you can install any Windows apps or games you want, just like on a regular PC. First, let's test gaming performance with Steam. Open the browser on the Cloud PC and go to the official Steam website. Click Install Steam to download the installer. After installation, launch Steam and log in with your account. Once logged in, you will see the familiar Steam dashboard with Store, Library, and Community tabs. Go to your library and install the game you want to play. I am going to install Counter-Strike 2. This will show how well the AntCloud PC handles modern shooters and graphics-heavy gameplay. Click Install. Choose the default location and let the download begin. The game size is around 45 GB, but thanks to the high-speed connection of the Cloud PC, downloads are very quick. You should download large game files late at night or early morning because these times you'll get a higher download speed. Once the download is finished, click play to launch the game. The game window opens, powered entirely by the AntCloud server. For best experience, keep the settings at 1080p resolution and moderate graphics for smoother streaming. To show you, I'm gonna join a quick casual match. The map loaded fast and the gameplay was smooth and responsive. Movements felt natural, aiming was precise, and shots registered instantly without delay. The frame rate stayed consistently high with no stutters or freezes. Graphics were sharp at 1080p and the RTX A4000 GPU handled visuals effortlessly. Even during fast-paced gunfights, input response remained quick. The low latency and stable network connection ensured fluid gameplay. The experience felt just like playing on a dedicated gaming PC. Counter-Strike 2 ran flawlessly on iCloud. This proves that iCloud PC can comfortably handle competitive graphics-heavy games. But you don't have to stop here. Since this is a full Windows PC, you can also install other game clients like Epic Games Launcher, EA App, Ubisoft Connect, etc. After testing games, let's see how this cloud PC handles office work. I installed Microsoft Office 2024 here. First, let's open Excel. It launches quickly. Typing is smooth with no delay, and formatting works instantly. Creating spreadsheets feels just like on a regular desktop. Next, let's open Word. It also starts fast. Word is perfect for preparing reports, assignments, or documents on the go. Writing and editing text is responsive, and applying styles like bold or italics happens without lag. Now let's move on to Wonderchef Filmora Video Editor. I placed a few clips on the timeline. You can add transition, text overlays, effects, etc. Everything works smoothly. The preview playback ran without lag, and exporting the video clip was efficient. This shows the system is powerful enough for video editing tasks, making iCloud a great option for content creators who want to edit videos directly from their Android device. Finally, let's test Blender. Blender is a free and open source 3D creation suite. It's well known for pushing hardware with 3D modeling, animation, and rendering tasks. That makes it perfect for testing high-end performance. Interacting with objects is smooth and responsive. I can rotate the view, move models around, and preview a render without any lag. And that's how you can use iCloud to run a full Windows PC on your Android. It turns your device into both a gaming PC and a professional workstation. You can play modern games, edit photos and videos, create 3D models, or handle office work anytime, anywhere. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.